Hi there, explorers! Welcome back to another awesome adventure with curious minds. Today, we're traveling back in time to a period called the Stone Age. It's a time when people lived in caves, used stone tools, and discovered fire. Are you ready? Let's go! The Stone Age began about 2.5 million years ago and lasted until people started using metal tools around 3000 BCE. It's called the Stone Age because people mainly used stones to make their tools and weapons. Clever, right? Imagine trying to build or hunt with just rocks and sticks. But these early humans were super creative. They even made axes and scrapers to cut meat, build shelters, and make clothes. Life in the Stone Age was all about survival. People lived in caves or built huts out of sticks, mud, and animal skins. They were hunter-gatherers, which means they hunted animals for food and gathered berries, nuts, and roots. Imagine trying to hunt a giant woolly mammoth. That was no easy task. But teamwork and their clever tools made it possible. One of the biggest discoveries of the Stone Age was fire. Fire gave warmth, light, and a way to cook food. It also kept wild animals away at night. What an amazing invention, right? Fire made life much safer and cozier for Stone Age families. Did you know Stone Age people were artists too? They created beautiful cave paintings using natural colors made from crushed rocks and plants. These paintings told stories about their lives, like hunting animals or celebrating together. They didn't have paper or pencils, but they still found a way to share their world with us. Let's get creative. Grab some paper and crayons or paint and make your own cave art. You can draw animals, stick people, or even your handprint, just like Stone Age artists did. Thanks for joining me on this prehistoric journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an adventure. Remember, history is full of amazing stories and we've just scratched the surface. Bye.